Hey gang, this is my Leebein spin scrubber and I've actually come to rely on it a lot because I don't like bending over, and with a long extension like this, it kind of saves my back a lot. So let me show you some of the features and then I'll show you real quick how I use it to kind of clean my shower here. So let me get up close right here. First thing I like is the brushes come on and off very easy. You've got some rubber O-rings and a little bit of sort of compression, and it just comes right on and off. Not like other brands where you've got to hit a clip and it makes it a little bit difficult. The other thing is right here, if I push this button, I can change the angle to 90 degrees, 45, or even just straight on. Typically keep it at 90 degrees. Right here, we've got the power button. So right now you can see it's on, and that's the little green light means it's got charge. And right here it tells you the color of the lights. It'll tell you how much charge it has. And then right here, this is the motor. So that turns the spin on to the high speed and then low speed. That's right. It's got two speeds. As well, down here on the handle, you've got a button that's connected via Bluetooth to this, so I can turn it on and off from the long handle. So let me readjust this here and show you the handle will collapse to this length, or I can take this completely off and I can take this out and I can put just this handle in, so I have a nice short one. But I typically don't use it that way because I'm kind of a tall person and I like to stand up, not have to bend over so much. Oh, the other thing I should mention is we've got plenty of brush heads. So this is the dome brush head. You've also got a large flat brush head and a small flat brush head. These are probably ones I use the most, along with this pinpoint brush head that is really great for getting in and out of the corners. As well, the Leebein comes with a scrub pad. This is a real sort of a really abrasive pad if you're trying to get off some really tough stains, as well as sort of a felt buffer, a soft fur buffer, I should say. And this one is just like a terry cloth towel. So this has 8 different attachments that go with it. Like I said, they're really easy to take on and off, and that's probably one of the things I like most about it. So let me show you how I clean the shower.
All right, so as you can see here, I've just sort of pre-sprayed some tile and shower cleaner here, and now I'm going to use the spin scrubber to clean it up. And first I'm going to start with the dome brush, and I'm just going to work my way around all of the corners here to really get in the corner. And you can kind of see how I don't know if you can see how the water is already a bit brown because it's getting all the dust or dirt. We're just going to kind of work our way all the way around here. And I love that the dome brush just gets into the corners.
All right, so I'm just going to quickly switch to the flat brush so I can do the floors a little bit better. And like I said, it's just very easy. Just pulls right off, and you just line up the little pentagram shape there, and that's it. Now I just turn it back on, and we can start cleaning again. And it does such a good job of just getting into the cracks and crevices there. And I'm standing up while I do it, so I don't even have to, it doesn't hurt my back at all, or my knees for that matter. You can see all that dirt just getting washed away right there, and all that soap scum. All right, so that's the Leebein spin scrubber. Like I said, I just love the extension that you can put on it because it makes it so much easier for me. I don't have to stand or get down on my knees to clean the shower floor. And I did want to mention that this uses a USB-C cable to charge. Unlike some of the other spin brushes, you have to have a special power adapter, but you can just use any USB-C cable here to charge. And I've just always been really pleased with it, and I like the selection of brushes, how easy they are to change, and overall, I think you really like it too.